Hi, my lovelies. It's Color Week. Yay! We're going to listen to a story that I love called Mouse Paint. And then we have a fun color mixing activity to do afterwards. So let's get ready and get comfy. Get ready to hear a wonderful color mouse story.
Walsh. Mouse paint. Once there were 3 white mice on a white piece of paper. The cat couldn't find them. One day, while the cat was asleep, the mice saw 3 jars of paint. 1 red, 1 yellow, and 1 blue. They thought it was mouse paint. They climbed right in. Then, 1 was red, 1 was yellow, and 1 was blue. They dripped puddles of paint onto the paper. The puddles looked like fun. The red mouse stepped into a yellow puddle and did a little dance. His red feet stirred the yellow puddle until... Look, he cried. Red feet and a yellow puddle make orange. The yellow mouse hopped into the blue puddle. His feet mixed and stirred and mixed until... Look down, said the red mouse and the blue mouse. Yellow feet in a blue puddle make green. Then the blue mouse jumped into a red puddle. He splashed and mixed and danced until... Purple, they all shouted. Blue feet in a red puddle make purple. But the paint on their fur got sticky and stiff, so they washed themselves down to a nice soft white. And painted the paper instead. They painted 1 part red, and 1 part yellow, and 1 part blue. They mixed red and yellow to paint an orange part, yellow and blue to paint a green part, and blue and red to paint a purple part. But they left some white because of the cat. The end.
Don't you just love that story, those silly, rascally mice? We're going to make a paper where we're going to mix some of those colors as well and then put our white mice on it. Let's take a look. Oh my goodness! Look at those silly mice on our paper and all our colors. Let's watch how we're going to do this. We're going to start with our blank piece of paper and we're going to use some crayons. The first color we need to do is our yellow. Now, Miss Pointer's crayon needs a little bit of peeling, and that's okay. I'm going to color half my paper yellow. I need a lot of yellow. And color, 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 color. We're using our small muscles going back and forth as we color, color, color that wonderful paper. Yellow, yellow, yellow. Yellow reminds me of sunshine and dandelions and all sorts of things. What does yellow remind you of? What things do you think about yellow? I think yellow sometimes is like smiley faces. Miss McIntyre always has a wonderful smiley face. She's kind of yellow, isn't she? She's bright and cheery. Yeah. Oh my goodness, I finally did it. I have my paper yellow. Well, I have 2 other primary colors, and they are red and blue. Let's start with this blue. I'm going to add blue to this section over here. Right to here. Let's see if we can add some blue. Ooh, I like the blue. Blue reminds me of water, and I will tell you, I am a water person. I just love water. I love the ocean and swimming pools and lakes and creeks. I even like the rain sometimes. I don't always like standing in the rain. If it's warm out, I like standing in the rain and jumping in puddles. Now we have the blue and the yellow. And I remember those mice mixed them. What did they do? That's right. I wonder if we color over, if we'll see what blue and yellow make. Who knows? Oh, I heard it. Let's see what happens. That's right. You were right. It's green. Look at that green. Oh, we made some beautiful, beautiful green when we mixed it. That looks fantastic. Oh, I love it. What great green we made. Isn't it neat how it does that? I think, oh, now I want to see what happens when we use the red. Because the red, 3 primary colors. Yes, we have 3 primary colors. Red, yellow, and blue. All right, let's just color in this red. Let's see what happens in this last little block here. We're coloring our red. Lots of coloring. Red like the red robins. Yum. Oh, my mouse ball is red too. Right now there's nice big fat robins out there because they're full of eggs. I like those robins. Now, wait a minute. What's going to happen if I mix right there? If I put a little of the red on the blue and I mix these 2 primary colors, what secondary color might I get? Yeah, I heard it again. Let's see what happens. Oh, who said purple? They were right. There's the purple. I see it. I see the purple. Oh, that's so cool. That is so cool. We got some purple there. Just using our red and our blue, and we made purple. What about mixing the red and the yellow, 2 primary colors? Yes, I heard it. Somebody said orange, and look at that. We have orange. Oh, we do. We have some orange. We have the orange. Oh, that looks awesome. I love it. Now we need to get some mice on this paper. I have 3. I think I'm going to put my mice on the primary colors, the red, the yellow, and the blue. Where are you going to put your mice and glue them down? Are you going to put them on primary or on the secondary colors, the green, the orange, and the purple? Where are you going to put it? I can't wait to see it. I cannot wait. Oh, thank you so much for joining me. What a great day playing with mice and colors. Till next time, bye.